Hello, I'm Officer Judy Hops. How to be a factory worker. A factory worker is a person who is engaged in performing various jobs as found in factories like candy and beverage processing, dairy processing, leather industries, pharmaceutical companies and other similar industries. Each worker can assemble raw materials for preparing, mixing, measuring and cooking crude resources. He can manage automated methods and temperatures for manufacturing products. He can also operate machines in the process of producing commodities and other preparations. Each candidate must have high school diploma with mathematics and English language, graduate degree in any profession, sound communication aptitude test, knowledge of commodity, health and safety, comprehension of quality control techniques, and must be very precise and efficient. For example, how is clothing made? It all begins with the reel of cloth made with threads. They could carefully plan how to make desired clothing, at least by cutting them to prepare various garments. The production should use a sewing machine for sewing clothes. The size must be accurate for labeling them. Once the process is complete, the garment would go for packaging and can distribute everywhere in the shopping places. So that is how the manufacturing process works if you were a factory worker. Like, comment, and subscribe now.